Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory arrival of ours. It is a Sea Ray 2025 260 SLX. We have it equipped in the full black hull color with our rally red boot stripe. We have the black rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match beautifully to our black Bimini power top. We have this boat equipped with a black 400 V10 Mercury Verado. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX, we'd like to point out a few key features. As you can see, we have a full walk-through transom. We have our gray sea deck throughout the entire boat. We do have the boat equipped in this stone interior color. Beautiful sun pad area here at the back. As you board, there is a freshwater sprayer. Nice to be able to rinse off from the sandbar as you get back on the boat. Underneath this large sun pad, we do have deep, long storage. Great for coolers, tents, skis if you would like to use those as well. Here at the back, we also have a nice cooler seat that is drained and insulated, so allows us to keep some beverages or sandwiches cool. Also at the sun pad here, we do have a Fusion stereo control and USB ports as well. We do have a black power tower Bimini top on this boat with controls to allow you to raise it up and down. That is all powered. Here at the transom, we do have a transom door to be able to cut off the ability for any kids or pets to get out of the boat. If you did have to board from the starboard side, we do have a nice step here that comes up into place. Great storage in this Sea Ray 260 SLX. Very large cubby storage underneath this lounger. Great place to just throw some things to get it up out of the way while you're underway. Cup holders all throughout at the back here. Storage underneath all these seats, including designated cooler storage underneath this seat. We do have a place here for a stern table, so great to be able to put in and serve cocktails or sandwiches or anything else that you're going to have out on the water. And then we also have a battery charger equipped here if you're going to leave the boat sitting for a longer period of time. Moving forward, we do have two nice Helm seats, pilot and co-pilot, that are on a swivel base, so you're able to rotate them and turn these this social zone into a little bit larger area as well. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury V10 400 Verado. Switching here for our anchor windlass and also our horn and navigation lights. Do have the Linco trim tabs on this boat and the head system for our Fusion stereo system that is throughout. Twin Simrad screens to be able to display engine data, chart plotter, fish finder, anything else while underway to be able to pilot this boat. On the port side here, we do have a very large head area. Do have the vacuum flush system as well as a freshwater sink. So we close that up and move towards the bow here. We have the ability to cut the bow off from the rest of the boat, able to extend our boating season by fully cutting it off and also flipping over the windshield and locking it into place. Great for those winter months, being able to get out on the water in that later boating season. We do have nice storage here underneath the helm as well. Also a very nice place for a trash can. Great place to get that up and out of the way as well. Here at the bow, we have great seating. Storage underneath all these seats as well. Got some flip down armrest on either side. Be able to accompany multiple adults up here. I'm 6'4" for reference, so as you can see, great place to be able to hang out, enjoy the water. Also a nice grab rail here. That way you can feel secure down in this Sea Ray 260. As I mentioned, we do have an anchor windlass on this boat. Controls for that will be here and also at the helm, as mentioned. Got a freshwater sprayer here, Be able to rinse it off as you're pulling the anchor back in as well. We do have the bow shade option included on this boat. Inserts for that will be right here, allowing the shade to come out throughout and shade this bow area. If you'd like to learn more about this Sea Ray 2025 260 SLX or anything else we have on the lot, please feel free to check us out on MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.